Are you buying or selling a car? It has to be a better way to sell or to win. Go to Sell1Win1.ca or download the free app on Android or iOS. If you are buying, then look for a car you like in your area and purchase entry tickets to the raffle and try your chance to win your dream car for the lowest price possible. Once tickets are all sold or reach the ending of raffle time, the system picks a winner automatically. And well, now you need to show up to pick your car. As easy as that.
By purchasing the ticket, you support a charity, city kids, and mainly the community.
Are you selling? It's 100% free. Sign up and upload photos of the car, describe what you are selling with the price, and simply post your car public. We will sell tickets, and when all tickets are sold, we pay out fully for your car at no charge. Yes, that easy. Visit us at www.Sell1Win1.ca or download the app today.